Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. I hope that everybody is doing well. Today we are going to do a quick exercise in the anatomy of the hand, and we're going to show a hand in the position of holding a flower. So to begin, we will first put down the foundation for the flower itself. So please use very light strokes. Here is the flower. So what flower it is, it doesn't really matter. So to best do this, we're going to put in an oval like that right here. So that line and then this oval, this will be where the hand will be, and then make it into a squished box like that, and then a line going down like that. So kind of a diamond there. You could even start with the diamond instead of an oval, but the round shapes help sometimes. And then along this line you're going to put in one, like so, 1, 2, and then like that. So we're going outward gradually. 3, and if it's a little different, it doesn't matter. 3, but which is so slight bends on each finger, more here, less here, lesser here, and then the last one behind this one, 4, and then on this. So once we have those things down, we're going to draw the hand out. Now we'll start with the little guy here, the smallest finger, and it's going inward like that. So how fleshy, how bony you're going to make this finger, it's all up to you. There's the butt of the hand right there, and then we go over because we're going to make the thumb right here. Put that out. Okay, and there's the wrist. You can grab slightly thicker pencil there. So then we move on to the other fingers. Then the longest finger, and then our index finger somewhere around there. So we got the anatomy more or less in place, but here is the stalk of the flower. We'll just color that in something gray so that you can see that that is the object running right through. And then of course you have the folds and whatnot going like that. Now I purposely left that open. Could be more closed and the fingers could cover a greater portion, but we are using the index and the finger and the thumb to do this work for us in this case. And of course the flower could be any flower. It's up to you. So the flower is not the point of the exercise, that is the anatomy here. So we're going to put in the thumb, the details, a little bit of detail in any case. So the rings, the skin folds appearing like that, and wherever there is a little edge right there on the thumb, giving it that edge that it needs. Details here, And of course, now if you were to shade it, and let's say that the light is just coming down, you would shade it somewhere around there. And of course, every hand differs. So, and you can put in as much texture as you wish, or as much shading as you wish. Again, it all depends on the light source. It all depends on how many shadows are cast under the flower, around the flower. So it's all going to vary according to the angle. You could try your own hand and put it up in the light to see how this works out. I'm just going to smooth that out a little bit, just to, and so that is our, so wherever, it depends. Again, you do not need to go excessive on the shading, but I'm just illustrating the point that we can go in all these directions if you're doing a hand holding up a flower. So thank you very much for watching. Please do try different angles there. It's a lot of fun to draw the anatomy of the hand, and you could make that a feminine hand. I have made a male one. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.